Hello friends, I am Dr. Priya Bansal and today we will discuss about MRCOG Part 2 exam. I have cleared my MRCOG Part 2 in 2019 July. So first of all, I'll be discussing about the eligibility for this exam. You require past status in MRCOG Part 1 exam and assessment of training approval from the RCOG. For assessment of training, you require 4 years of obs-gynae experience full-time after your MBBS registration. You need to provide your experience letters attested by either your hospital or notary or any MRCOG person. Once you are approved by the RCOG, you can book your MRCOG Part 2 exam. It is conducted twice a year, that is in January and in July. The fees is £475 and the maximum number of attempts for this exam are 6. The time limit is after giving Part 1 exam, you can give Part 2 exam anytime up to 7 years of duration. Now coming to the exam format. It is conducted in one single day in 2 divided papers of 3 hours duration each. Every paper consists of 100 questions in total. 50 are SBA, that is single best answer question, and rest 50 are EMQs, that is extended matching questions. For all who don't know about EMQ, these are the questions which have 15 to 20 options and 3 or 4 questions related to those options. The cutoff for this exam lies around 60 to 65% and there is no negative marking in this exam. You need to make sure that for EMQs, you need to have at least 50% scoring in both paper 1 and paper 2 combinedly. Now coming to the preparation of the exam. The duration required for preparation is 5 to 6 months at least. The syllabus asked in the exam is deep and thorough knowledge of whole obs-gynae. The guidelines which you need to read for this exam are NICE and GTG guidelines, some TOG articles, some SIPs, some ESHRE and FSRH guidelines. Also, you can find all of these guidelines online or on Facebook and Telegram groups. There are certain practice books which are listed here. There are at least 12 or 13 books which have practice SBAs and EMQs. And also, you need to do previous year question papers of at least 4 years. To start your preparation, follow the schedule of the guidelines which is given in the Facebook group and complete your the syllabus in 2 to 2.5 months. While doing these guidelines, make sure you also practice the SBAs and EMQs from the practice group books. Once your syllabus is complete, then do a revision of the guidelines along with practice paper books so that it will improve your speed of application of the guidelines into the EMQs and SBAs. You can also have purchase the subscription of StratOG, which is available on RCOG website, and you can also join online coachings which are available and very helpful. Although in my experience, I neither had StratOG nor the coaching, but I focused on the guidelines thoroughly and their application, and also joined Facebook, Telegram discussion groups and had a study partner. In my next video, I will explain about MRCOG Part 3 exam, and if you have any doubts about Part 2, please put it in comment section. I would love to help.